Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Township Cash using cryptocurrency in a quick and easy way. There are actually two ways to buy Township Cash. The first method is paying directly with crypto, but in many regions that option isn't available yet. So I'll show you the second method that works for most users. First, open the Phoenix app. Deposit USDT or another supported cryptocurrency from your preferred crypto exchange into your Phoenix account. Once the deposit is completed, your balance will be available on your Phoenix card. Since the Phoenix card works like a Mastercard, you can use it almost anywhere that accepts card payments. Now, open Township and tap on the cash package you want to purchase. Choose your payment method and add your Phoenix virtual card if you haven't already. If your account has enough balance, simply confirm the payment, and your Township Cash will be purchased instantly. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more crypto payment tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.